If you need me, Sammy, just call out.
Okay.
Sweet dreams, cozy campers.
Night, Dada. Night, Sammy.
Sammy Go can't sleep. Too many noises in the night and... Oh, hello.
Mya, monster.
Quick, Mya Go, turn on the light.
Huh? I can't see any monsters.
But he's sure he saw a...
Monster!
But there's no such thing as monsters.
It can't be a monster, can it? Monster! There's a monster in there.
There's no such thing as monsters, but if there was, they'd be no match for Mama and Dada Go.
Okay. Mama, you take the front. I've got you covered. Ready?
Mama and Dada Go are on monster patrol.
All clear, Dada Go.
Fee you. Now, this teepee is officially a monster-free zone.
But the monster comes out in the dark. Big! Scary!
Big and scary?
Where?
Dada, the monster is in here. Look! There it is!
Aha!
That's just the shadow of the cuddly toy lion. See?
Oh!
Watch this. Mya, shine your torch on the sheet.
Greetings, Earthlings!
We come from space. We are shadow aliens.
Arr! I'm a pirate! Boo! You're a great ghost, Sammy. Oh!
It's Mama and Dada Go, all dressed up.
I love your costumes!
And you both look wonderful too.
I think you'll do very well in the fancy dress competition.
Arr! Boo!
That's a great poo you've got there.
Huh?
Sammy's not having much luck scaring people.
Aw! Come on! We don't want to be late for the Halloween fancy dress competition. Let's go! Boo?
Poor Sammy. I'm sure he'll have more luck at the fancy dress competition. Mya and Sammy have arrived at the party.
Hello, Miss Teach.
Hello. Oh, what super costumes you all have.
I am the most terrifying pirate to ever sail the seas.
You're a fantastic pirate, Mya, but I'm afraid I don't scare very easily. I just never get frightened.
Not even on Halloween?
Not one bit. Now, Mya, in a minute, I'll be judging the scariest costume competition. So good luck.
Oh, there's Tommy Stop, Ruby Meg, Lucy Help, Sophie Play and Emily Share.
Roar. What are you dressed as, Tommy?
I'm a deep sea diver. Being underwater can be quite scary sometimes.
I like your teapot costume, Sophie, and your teacup, Lucy. Is it time for tea? Why, yes, I think it is. I'm a vampire princess.
You look like a normal princess to me.
I am a normal princess, but it's Halloween, so I'm calling myself a vampire princess. And I'm a dinosaur. Roar. That's not a very loud roar, Emily. I don't want to scare people.
Hi, Sammy.
Boo!
Great ghost costume.
Very scary. Aw.
Oh dear, all Sammy wants to do is give someone a fright on Halloween and eat a cookie or two.
Okay, children, I'm starting the judging now, and the scariest costume will get the Halloween rosette.
Ooh.
Looks like Sammy's had enough of the party already.
Aw.
Enjoy yourselves. I'll just be walking around, looking at all your costumes and writing down my score.
Everyone else seems to be having a fabulous time.
Rawr! Sammy Yard Monster. Not just any yard monster, Sammy. A giant yard monster. Rawr!
Go get her, Sammy!
Oh no, Giant Sammy, don't get me. Mya be big monster. Me? It's been so long since I've been a giant monster. I hope I can remember how. Roar!
Mya, Sammy, look what I've got for you. I thought you kids might like to play with these empty boxes.
Yay! Sammy, play boxes.
What will they do with all those boxes?
Let's build a box city.
A fine job from our yard monsters, stacking all those boxes.
It almost looks like a street, Sammy. Hang on, I have an idea.
What could it be?
If we draw windows and people, it'll look like a real city.
Oh, I can't wait to see how this is all going to turn out.
Great work, Sammy. Now we have a little city with big buildings. Uh-oh, Giant Monster Sammy is back again. Roar! This is Mya Go for the Mya Go News Channel. Roar! A giant monster is about to knock over all the box buildings. Roar! There goes one box building. Roar! Two box buildings. Roar! Three box buildings. Giant Monster Sammy really knows how to wreck a city.
Mya, Sammy, come in and wash up for lunch.
Sammy's too big to fit through the door, Mama. I'm a big monster.
Well, you had better shrink back down to normal again, hadn't you? Even monsters need to eat their lunch.
Okay, Sammy, time to shrink. And we could both shrink till we're super small.